We care about patients. We really, really care about our patients from the time they walk through the door all the way through recovery. We want to make sure they have a good experience, but more than that, we want to make sure that we render the highest level of treatment and that we take care of all of their concerns and that they leave well treated, well cared for, and that they recognize that we care about them as individuals.
Dr. Adams and I, we've worked together since 2006. We trained together. We are always discussing what treatment options are available, bouncing things off of each other, treating patients so that they're getting the best outcomes they can. And we're under one roof, and so because of that, we're not in separate locations. We're right here where we can talk to each other throughout the day. It also makes it safe for patients. If something were to happen, there's 2 doctors in the office so that we can make sure that the treatment they receive is safe.
As we see a variety of patients, some young, some obviously young children up to 2 to 3 years of age with certain deformities or challenges or pathology that we need to treat, and then yes, up to over 100 years old.
When I came here, I felt like they cared about how my experience was. I can't say enough about this practice. I feel like Dr. Adams and his team, they care about what your experience is.
We're always trying to stay on the cutting edge of things, and I know that's a little bit trite to say that, but we really are. We make a big effort to continuously educate ourselves on the latest techniques, technology, and so forth. A critical part of our practice is maintaining a highly educated doctor force, that we're all recognizing that our field is constantly changing, and that it requires us to maintain a certain level of acumen as far as what are the latest techniques and knowledge out there.
I like to take care of people. I like to make sure that they have a good experience during their care. I like them to feel comfortable, know that I'm somebody they can trust. I love education, not only learning personally, but I also like to educate, just like at the University of Utah, educating patients. Those are my core values that I find meaningful, and I think that shines through in the care that we deliver here.
The track record here is better than anything I've ever dealt with, and so between myself and my kids, I would recommend these guys over anybody.